Donald Trump probably no longer in contempt. New York lawyer preferred says New York Donald Trump is in all likelihood no longer in contempt of court docket for failing to conform with a subpoena in a New York civil probe into the former U.S. president's commercial enterprise practices, the Office of State Attorney General Letitia James stated on Tuesday. In a letter filed with a New York country courtroom in Manhattan, a legal professional for James stated affidavits filed by means of personnel of Trump companies appeared enough to lift an April 25 contempt order, which caused Trump paying $110,000 excellent. Respondents recommend should rely upon present-day employees to provide the specified records, the letter stated. We are organized to agree that the affidavits fulfill the court's order as it is not apparent what else, if something, the respondent and his suggest can be ordered to do. Alina Habba, a legal professional for Trump, did no longer immediately respond to a request for remark. The letter also renewed James's concerns approximately Trump's rules closer to keeping documents, bringing up the obvious absence of economic documents he have to have that would shed mild on what his groups are really worth. Justice Arthur Engoron, who had found Trump in contempt, will decide whether or not to boost that order. James has for more than 3 years been investigating the Trump Organization, which manages accommodations, golf courses and other actual property around the sector. The legal professional popular has stated her probe has found proof that the company overstated asset values to obtain favorable loans and understated asset values to get tax breaks. Trump and of his grown-up kids, Donald Trump Jr. and Ivanka Trump, have agreed to testify beneath oath starting July 15, after failing to convince Kingdom courts to scuttle their depositions. Trump, a Republican, has referred to as James's probe a politically motivated witch hunt. James is a Democrat.